Guys, thanks for checking out my vlog. My name is Drew Naska. This is vlog entry number 1 for my YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming. I'm excited because this is just a chance to talk about some of the stuff I'm into and have fun and hopefully share it with you. Maybe catch some inspiration, steal all the ideas. I'm gonna be talking about motorcycles, classic cars, Land Rover Defenders, guns, knives, drums, guitars, watches, just stuff that I'm into and have been fun hobbies. It's fun to find a place like this to be able to share it with other people, to maybe learn from you, get some ideas, get some inspiration. But today I'm excited because we're going to be doing and talking about one of my favorite things, and that's a cafe racer motorcycle. That's right, motorcycles. They're great, they're fun. I grew up, and the guy my dad worked with for about 25 years used to drive an old classic pre-unit Triumph Bonneville every single day. That pre-unit means the shifter was on the right side as opposed to the left. And I saw it, and it was just kind of a motorcycle. I actually didn't even really like it. But after living in England for about 3.5 years, I came back to the States and I bought myself a 2005 Triumph Bonneville with the same color blue as the gentleman who worked with my dad. And we kind of fell in love with the Triumph motorcycle. So today, as we look at a cafe racer build, it's ironic that I'm chasing down a Triumph Bonneville and kind of transforming it with some light modifications. I hope you enjoy it and get inspired to find your own bike and do something that makes it custom to you. Just a few tips when unloading a bike. A few different things you want to do is get your ramp set up like that, and then you want to get a strap to put some pressure towards the tailgate. Typically when I load a bike, I put the kickstand down so that it leans over this way. Now what you want to do is do the right strap first so that the pressure comes this way and you got a kickstand. If you were to do this side, the pressure's that way, there's no kickstand and the bike flips. And all is well that ends well. The bike has been safely unloaded. Time to get on to the fun stuff. This has so much potential to be something awesome. How do I know this? Because I have a 2006 Triumph Bonneville. It's my personal bike, and I'll show you it. And we're gonna model this one very similar. This seat comes off with a simple Allen wrench and a couple bolts like you have here. And then you're gonna just pull this seat off, stock seat. And I have this custom one right here, which will just slot right on and look a heck of a lot better. So now that the seat has been swapped, we're gonna get straight to these handlebars. It'll get things from kind of up here in traditional seating stance to a little something sportier and cafe racer, and it just kind of slims the bike up a little bit. And for doing handlebars, you're gonna need a couple tools. You're going to need, first of all, a razor to help pry off these little Allen wrench spots. And then you are ready for an Allen wrench to loosen these bars. We'll pull it out of the garage after we throw some pipe wrap on. A lot of guys will have an X across the headlight with some, what it actually is some black tape, electrical tape. But what it kind of pays tribute to is the old days of flat track racing. Racing in general, they would want people to tape up their headlights. The tape is on there, so if you were to break a headlight, it keeps it all in one piece. Got some great progress for today. Do a little walk around on the bike. I'm stoked to see this thing run, take a little ride. It's looking totally different than the way it came, and it already sounds pretty cool. So here's a little ride up and down the street. Last first ride, and the thing sounds great, it looks better, and still got a couple things, pieces in the mail I'm gonna be working on, headlights as it comes in, different pieces and parts to get this cafe racer build. Hopefully it inspires you to get out, find your own deal. And this is what you want to see when you come home right here. And so we're going to tear into these and get cracking with putting these parts on the bike, finishing this project. So here's some exciting stuff. When Amazon Prime drops off to your porch and you are ready to get into some boxes. So this is like Christmas Day. Yellow, orange, you can debate on what color this is. I don't know what color this is. My wife says I'm colorblind. Package number 2 has a couple things in it. End mirrors, which we need these. And we have a slip-on exhaust in black. If you've got the Vans rubber grip, it is a closed end, so you're gonna need to get your knife, a razor blade, some sort of knife, maybe a Kershaw leak as I'll carry, and cut yourself a hole in the grip so that you can get this inside. This tightens to the inside of your handlebar. From the inside of the handlebar, you'll tighten it from out here, it'll expand and set your mirror in place. So let's cut a hole in the end bar grip. Mirror install number 2. What you're gonna do is take the bolt off the back of the back passenger peg, and this will attach to the peg in the back. Just put the bolt back on it, and this will slide in. That's actually a perfect fit, so we're gonna tighten this bad boy up now. Well, hey, I hope you enjoy vlog entry number 1 is finally in the books. And if you enjoy checking out things like motorcycle builds, cafe racers, bobbers, choppers, Harley Davidsons, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a comment, and look forward to producing more content to share with you. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you next time.